Hello YouTube, Chachi is back. In today's video is about how to fix a problem related with Wi-Fi connections, and for today's video we will gonna use three basic solutions, so stay tuned until the end of the video. I think this video will help you to solve your problems, so if it is helpful, thumb up, and if you have any comments then you can subscribe my channel. So let's see how we can solve a Wi-Fi connection problem. So the first one is a service problem may relate with a Wi-Fi connection problem. So let us open the service section on our computer, and all these lists are running effectively. So type on your search box of your window service. So when you type service, you will have this option, and when you open this service section, you will search for this one, for DHCP Client. So under DHCP, click on it and type D. So when you type D, you will see over here DHCP Client, and as you can see here, it's automatic and it's running. So if it is not running and if it's not showing you an automatic, right click on it and select properties, then click over here the startup type and select automatic, then click the start option here. It's already automatic, that's why my start button is inactive. But in your scenario, if it is manual or if it will be on the disable or any options, click automatic, then start and apply, and click OK. Then after the DHCP client, open the network. So click on the service option and find network, or you can click on N on your keyboard, and then here you find several options, which is network connected devices, network connection broker, network connections, network connectivity assistance, network list service, network location awareness, and network setup service. All the network options should have to be running except network connected device auto setup. So click on network connectivity assistance on it and right click on it and click properties, then click the startup type and make automatic, then start. Okay, it's saying network connectivity assistance on local something problems, but it should have to be automatic. As far as my knowledge, it should have to be automatic and it should have to run. So until it will provide you running option, you should have to click on it, and the other options are running and it's manual. So we will click on the network list and on properties again and click on automatic, then start. Okay, as you can see, it's changed to automatic, and this one is running and it's automatic. And network setup service, right click on it, properties, manual, automatic, start. Yes, it's automatic and started, then okay. So it's automatic and it's running. What's wrong with it? Sorry. Properties, automatic start. Right, it's running, and let's say okay. So it's running. So you should have to make this one also in a running scenario. You should have to click it until it will make you on the running section of the status. So you should have to fix all these network sections on the running and in their startup type as automatic. Then after, you should have to select for the Wi-Fi section. So click again on the service and find Wi-Fi, or you can click somewhere over here and click W. And when you click W, you will find here Wi-Fi direct service connection manager service. So it's automatic, the startup type, but it's not running. So click on it and click properties, then automatic, then start, then okay. Yes, here it is running. So we finished the service section of our computer. So we will close this, and we should have to finally restart. You should have to restart your computer and check your Wi-Fi connection if it's working properly or not. So you will check over here, and after the restarting, if it is not working or if your Wi-Fi option is not coming here, so you will check the update drivers. So in order to update drivers, we will type on our search box again, write device manager. So as you can see here, device manager is on the list, so click on it on the device manager, and on the device manager here, network adapter option is available. So we will click in order to see the drop down options, and here we have plenty of adapters or device drivers on our computer, but the one thing that we need is our Wi-Fi adapter. So it is here. I have a Realtek PCI adapter. On my scenario, on your scenario, you'll have several options, Realtek or different adapter names may be available on your computer. So you will take your network adapter or PCI adapters on your computer and right click on it and select update drivers. Maybe Wi-Fi connection or the Wi-Fi connection failure is due to the failure on update, so the failure on our driver. So we should have to update our driver. So update driver and search automatically for driver. So if there will be an update, if there will be an updated version of our driver on Wi-Fi, so it will show us. So search automatically for drivers. So here the best driver for your device are already installed. So it's saying we have already the updated version of our driver. So this update driver option is not the solution because it's not changing our Wi-Fi's, the signal is not here. So the third and the final option for this video is internet option on our computer. So to find this internet option and to click on the troubleshoot, type again on the search box of our computer, which is setting, the right setting. And when you type setting, you'll find this option. Click on the settings, then network and internet. Here, as you can see here, network and internet. Click on network and internet. Then after you type internet and network, you will find here troubleshoot. As on our word, we write one of the solution is troubleshoot. So on the setting option, you will find troubleshoot. So let us check whether the troubleshoot fix our problem or not. So click on the troubleshoot, and it's detecting a problems on our computer related with our Wi-Fi connection and your Wi-Fi connection. So here it provide some options, which is Bluetooth network connection, VirtualBox, host only network, or all network adapter. So select the network adapter to diagnosis from these options, but if you are not sure, select the last option in the list, so all network adapter. So let us give it the option to fix all the network adapters on our computer in order to fix the Wi-Fi problem. So click on next, and it will start fixing or diagnosing our Wi-Fi connection or your Wi-Fi connection. So it may take some time, and you should have to wait patiently until you find some solution. So looking, collecting results, and it's fixing our problem. Troubleshooting couldn't identify the problem, so the troubleshooter cannot identify the real problem of our Wi-Fi connection. So the last and final option, we should have to use our final option for today's video, which is change adapter option. So you should have to check the adapter options of your computer Wi-Fi's connection. So Here advanced network setting, under this network status option we have here advanced network setting, and on our advanced network setting we have change adapter options. So we click on change adapter options, and here we find the Wi-Fi option on our change adapter. So when you click on it, it will show you enable this network device, which is an option. You can click over here and click enable, or you can click this enable this device. So let us click on enable. So it's enabling our computer. So the problem related with our computer is our Wi-Fi on network connection or adapter option is disabled. As you can see here, my computer's Wi-Fi option is enabled and it's connected with the network. So we find the solution. So our solution for this computer is related with adapter option. So the adapter option is disabled. And these are the 3 solutions for today's video related with Wi-Fi connection problem. And if it is helpful, give me comments and like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Chachi takes out.